Have you ever planned to start your dropshipping business for your additional passive source of income? In today's video, I'll answer your burning questions. How does dropshipping work? What are the best products to sell? How can you start without spending a lot of money? As someone who has tried almost all online hustles, I've poured years of experience into this comprehensive tutorial. Stick with me, and you'll get the most simplified, effective strategies that others aren't sharing. Let's get started. So, if you want to dive into e-commerce without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping products yourself, there's a fantastic method you should know about. This approach allows you to start an online business with minimal upfront investment and fits perfectly into a busy schedule. Imagine you found a product you're excited to sell. Today, I'll guide you through finding such a product. You list this item on your online store at a higher price than what you'll pay your supplier. For instance, if your supplier charges $10, you might sell it for $60. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier sends the product directly to them and you keep the profit margin. This model is excellent for beginners because it simplifies the entry into e-commerce. You can start this as a side hustle, dedicating just a few hours each day to grow your store. I'll share the strategies needed for success in this video, so there's no reason you can't get started immediately. We'll begin by setting up your online store using Shopify, which provides the best tools for dropshipping. Follow the link in the description box or top comment to get a special promotion. Sign up for a free trial, and I'll walk you through the entire process of designing your store and getting it ready for business. Let's get started and set you up for long-term success. Step number 1. To get started, the first thing you need is a winning product for your online store. This is the cornerstone of a successful dropshipping business. As you search for products, ask yourself, does this product solve a problem? Is it entertaining? Can you relate it to your life? How much content can be created around it? Your store needs a niche, which is the central theme or topic of your brand. Here are the examples of the top niche categories to consider: beauty, pets, technology, kids products, gifts, fitness. Screenshot this list or revisit the video if you need more ideas. Choose a niche that you at least understand or enjoy. For instance, I wouldn't sell cooking products because I know nothing about cooking. Instead, I focus on areas I'm familiar with, so I can confidently market and stand behind my products. A major advantage of having a niche is that it allows you to offer multiple related products, making your store look more cohesive and professional. Avoid creating a general store. It often looks cluttered and unprofessional. Another tip for finding a winning product is to look for items you can market as luxury products. Luxury items can command higher prices. To find such products, you can use platforms like AliExpress or opt for a comprehensive tool like AutoDS. This app not only helps you find products, but also automates your entire dropshipping process from sourcing to fulfillment. To start with AutoDS, use the link in the description for a free month. Sign up, connect your Shopify store, and start exploring the product research sections, Marketplace, Winning Products, and TikTok Spy. The Marketplace is updated daily and allows you to filter products by shipping times, price range, and category. You can even see data on pricing, target audience, and competitors. TikTok Spy lets you see trending ads, providing inspiration for products to add to your store. Once you find a promising product, check Google to see how much similar websites are charging. Aim for products with good profit margins and year-round appeal, not just trendy items. After selecting a product, import it to AutoDS as a draft. Customize the product details, name, price, variants, and images before adding it to your store. Keep names simple and unique. For pricing, double the supplier's cost as a general rule, but always check competitors' prices for reference. With your first product ready, it's time to name your store. Use tools like Business Name Generator or AI like ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Choose a name that fits a range of products within your niche, not just one specific item. Once you have a few options, search online to ensure they're not already in use. Make adjustments as needed to find a unique and fitting name for your brand. Step number 2. Now, to set up your online store, you'll need to customize it using the tools available on Shopify. Start by heading to your Shopify main page, then click on Online Store, followed by Themes. Shopify offers a variety of free themes that are fantastic, so there's no need to spend money on a paid theme. Choose one you like and click Add and hit Publish. Next, click Customize to start personalizing your store. Begin by adjusting the colors to match the vibe of your store. Since we're aiming for a luxurious feel, you can stick with black and white color scheme. A simple and elegant look often works best. White, black, and a standout accent color. To add more pages, go to Pages under the Online Store section. It's crucial to include a shipping policy page. This page outlines your shipping terms, which is vital for managing customer expectations. Click Add Page, name it Shipping Policy, and if you need a hand writing it, to draft a template for you. Customize as needed, and save. Adding these pages to your main menu enhances your store's professionalism. Remember, your store should be simple and easy to navigate to avoid frustrating customers. Also, make sure to set up your payment options under the Finances tab so you can receive payments. Once your store's layout is complete, it's time to go live. Choose a Shopify plan that suits your needs and enter your payment details. Now, let's talk about domains. While Shopify provides a free domain, getting a custom domain adds a professional touch. For instance, domains ending in .store are popular among big names like Mr. Beast and Cristiano Ronaldo. They also improve your store's visibility on Google. Once you have your domain, connect it to your Shopify store by navigating to the domain section in Settings and following the instructions. If you need help, Shopify support and step-by-step guides are great resources. With this, you'll have a professional-looking online store ready to attract customers. Step number 3. Have you ever realized that you can automate your dropshipping business to save time and effort? Once you have your custom domain set up, making your store look more professional, it's time to handle order fulfillment. Imagine a customer placing an order on your website. Instead of manually processing it, AutoDS can take care of everything, from sending the order to your supplier to tracking the shipment and managing returns. This means you can focus on growing your business without the constant back and forth hassle. To set this up, log into your AutoDS account and go to Settings. Under the supplier settings, you can control all fulfillment processes. You can ensure that you check the boxes for automatic orders and order processing. Additionally, add funds to your account either immediately or as needed when customers place orders. This setup ensures that AutoDS will automatically fulfill any orders, sending the items directly to your customers with minimal input from you. Now that your order automation is in place, let's talk about driving organic traffic to your store. One crucial skill is mastering short-form content creation, creating 10 to 15-second vertical videos. You don't need to be a pro. Faceless videos showcasing your products can garner millions of views across platforms. First, leverage Instagram Reels, which currently pushes content more aggressively than other platforms. Next, utilize TikTok, known for its viral potential, and don't overlook Facebook, which offers a Reel section and additional monetization opportunities like the Reels bonus program. Additionally, Pinterest acts as a search engine where your posts have a longer lifespan, making it an excellent place to post clickable pins that lead directly to your store. Also, consider using Twitter or X and Instagram's new platform, Threads, for direct link sharing. As you experiment with different content styles, observe what resonates most with your audience. Whether you show your face or focus solely on your products, consistency and engagement are key. Start with these strategies and watch your business grow organically without spending a fortune on ads. You won't gain anything in this video if you don't want the simple hassle of dropshipping business. But if you want to have a more simpler hassle, then you might want to check out some of our videos about affiliate marketing. Until next time, bye-bye!